you how to get free spirit vehicles and spirit bikes, guys. For that, you need to update your game. Okay, this will be the biggest glitch in my channel. Okay, we got these new portals just yesterday, guys. Okay, here it is arc light. Okay, I don't need the arc light. I need the light rider because only in the light rider you get the bike. This arc ride and X zone you get only the cars, guys. The Tasman cars. Okay, let me show you. First, let me show you these cars. Okay, okay. Yeah, guys. First, let me equip my minigun. I just forgot to equip it. Okay, I'm extremely sorry, guys. Okay. I don't know, did I equip it? Probably not. Okay. Where is the minigun section, guys? Oh, I need to add a minigun, right? Okay. It's over here. Let us see, can I upgrade? No, I don't have sufficient parts. Okay, guys. Let me show you. First, let me show you the cars one, okay? It's nothing bad in it. Okay. For that, you need the energy bars. You need to buy some energy bars, guys. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is more than enough. Okay. Let me start the game. Okay. Go near the portal, guys. It shows activate. You need to click on the energy button and the activate button at the same time. Okay. Now it will take you to the store. Don't worry. Okay. Now click on the square button. Now go to the story. Go to T and click on am I interrupting, and as soon as you do that you get a activate button. You need to press it. Okay, I got it. Okay, I pressed it, right? Okay, now this is going to happen. You guys only see it. Okay, something like this is going to happen. Okay, let the game start. Okay, okay, as soon as the game start, now click on the pass menu. Okay. Okay, now click on abort. S. Okay, guys. See, guys, you're not in any mission. You're in limbo with the spirit car, guys. Wow. See, guys, these are your opponents. You can just play with them. See, guys, you're not in any mission. Okay. Now, how to go back to the city? The question, right? Now, just get down from here. Jump out. Okay. It brings you back, right? Don't worry. Jump out again. Okay. Jump out again. You're in the surface of limbo. Okay? Now, if you go to one place, it will take you back to the city. You need to roam a lot for that place. We need to find that place, okay? Okay. Where's that place? Is it this? I don't want to crash. Okay. Okay, guys. Let us find that place. Okay. It must be somewhere over here, right? Okay, guys. Okay, guys. It will bring a blank screen. Don't worry. It is taking you to the city, guys. Okay. See, guys. You're in the city, right? But the only problem is in the map. See, guys. The map is completely transparent. Funny glitch, guys. Okay. And this vehicle is completely invincible. You may think, Prajwal, what do you mean by invincible? That means it's undestroyable. Okay. Look at the health, guys. It's full, right? Okay. Now, okay. Where's my mini weapon? I equipped it, right? Okay. Let's see. Where's my mini weapon? Okay. I think I should have it. Mini weapon. Yeah, I have it. Okay, guys, you know the bomb which is really very powerful, the fire bomb, right? Okay, let me throw it to the car. Okay, guys, see, guys, I blasted it. You may think it's on fire, it's on fire. No, guys, completely not. See the health of the car, guys, completely full. It was on fire. As soon as I got in the car, nothing. But look at my map, guys, completely transparent, right? Okay, let us go to the army base. Okay, for going to the army base, I need to go to the chop shop, bro. Okay, it shows something like this. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry. Okay. See, guys, it's gone. But still, you have the vehicle. Okay. Where's the chop shop, bro? I need to go to the chop shop as soon as possible. Okay. I need to go to the chop shop, chop shop, chop shop, chop shop. I think you can sell this vehicle to the chop shop. Yeah, guys, just a second. Wow. See, guys, you are even cops in the town. Yeah, guys, just a second. Yeah, guys, somebody was calling me. Sorry. Okay. Now let us go to the airport. See, guys, I'm crashing from that time, but look at the health of this thing. Completely full, right? Yeah, guys, let us go to the chop shop. Wow. Okay. Okay, guys, we are on the way to the chop shop. Whoa, 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 whoa. Cool, guys. It's really cool. Okay. Yeah, guys, we are at the chop shop. From here, I know the route to the military base. Oh, shit. Hell, 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 hell. Okay, I think it must be somewhere over here. Okay, from here I know the complete route to the military base, guys. Here you need to take a right turn. Okay. Whoa, whoa. Wow. Cool, right? Yeah, guys. Okay. Okay. Here is a military base next to us. Whoa. Let us go to the military base and let us get some cops and let us see, can the chopper anything destroy us? I think so not, because it's a completely invincible vehicle. Okay. Oh, we have the chopper. That means we got the stars late. Wow, look at the map, guys. So cool. I saw somebody over here, right? Okay. Shoot me, guys. Bro, shoot me. Look at the damage I'm dealing, right? 0% of damage. Look at how many people I have. See, guys, they're completely shooting at me. And I have taken no damage. 0% of damage, guys. See, guys, all are completely shooting at me. Wow. See the bullets, guys. And okay. Where is the iron horse? Guys, there must be an iron horse. Yeah. Okay, shoot me, bro. See, guys, he's completely shooting me. See, guys. See the damage am I taking? Completely 0% of damage. Okay. See guys, he's shooting me. Okay. Yeah guys, let us see the other portals. Where are there? Let us open the map and let's see how our map looks. Okay. Whoa, look at our map guys. Okay. Okay. Yeah guys, for this video only this much. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get all the notifications. Bye guys, I'll meet you in the next video. I'm going to make another video how to get the Calvin bike for free. Okay? Bye guys. Okay.